Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows Skype a JavaScript error occurred in the main process error. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Type Skype in search app list, click Advanced option. Click Repair if same error still exists, use Reset. Second method is open any browser, type Visual C++ in browser search bar. Find your system type. In my system type is 64-bit. After install, restart system. Third method is right-click Start button, click Run, type %local app data %. Delete Skype app, if any error, end the Skype process. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.